Korean cuisine is built on 6 essential sauces that create its signature depth and complexity. These sauces, Gochujang, Ganjang, Doenjang, Ssamjang, and fish sauce, have been perfected over centuries. Each brings unique flavors from spicy to savory, forming the backbone of dishes like bibimbap, kimchi, and bulgogi. Understanding their roles is key to mastering Korean cooking. Modern kitchens still rely on these traditional sauces, blending heritage with contemporary techniques. Gochujang, Korea's famed fermented chili paste, balances heat, sweetness, and umami. Made from red chili powder, glutinous rice, fermented soybeans, and salt, it ages in clay pots, ongi, for months. This process develops its deep red color and rich flavor. Gochujang stars in bibimbap, tteokbokki, and marinades. A 2021 study found it contains beneficial probiotics, linking it to gut health. Its versatility makes it a pantry staple. Korean soy sauce, Ganjang, comes in 2 types, Jin Ganjang for soups and Guk Ganjang for seasoning. Jin Ganjang, lighter and saltier, enhances broths without overpowering. Guk Ganjang, darker and richer, perfects marinades like for galbi. Both are byproducts of Doenjang fermentation, a process dating back to the Three Kingdoms period. A 2020 survey revealed 78% of Korean households use both daily. Their nuanced flavors elevate even simple dishes like jeonjangjoram, soy-marinated eggs. Doenjang, Korea's fermented soybean paste, packs an earthy umami punch. Traditionally made by boiling and aging soybeans in ongi, it shares roots with Japanese miso but boasts a bolder, grainier texture. Rich in isoflavones, it's linked to reduced cancer risk in a 2019 Seoul National University study. Essential in doenjang stew, it also seasons Ssamjang and braises. Its fermentation process, often lasting years, reflects Korea's jang, fermented sauce. Heritage. Ssamjang, the wrap sauce, unites gochujang and doenjang with garlic, sesame oil, and sweeteners. Created in the 1990s for Ssam lettuce wraps, it bridges spicy and savory flavors. Perfect with grilled meats like samgyeopsal, its thick texture clings to ingredients. A 2022 CJ Foods report noted Ssamjang's 40% sales growth globally, fueled by KBQ trends. Homemade versions often include fermented anchovy paste for extra depth, showcasing Korea's layered seasoning philosophy. Chojang, a sweet-sour mix of vinegar, sugar, and gochujang, brightens cold dishes like naengmyeon, buckwheat noodles. Meanwhile, fish sauce made from fermented anchovies adds umami to kimchi and stews. Jeju Island's specialty, ojingyo jiot, squid fish sauce, is prized for its clean finish. Research from Mokbo University 2021 shows fish sauce's amino acids enhance kimchi fermentation. These sauces prove Korean cuisine's balance extends beyond heat to tang and brine. Mastering Korean cooking means harmonizing these 6 sauces. Gochujang brings heat, Ganjang saltiness, Doenjang depth, Ssamjang richness, Chojang tang, and fish sauce umami. Bulgogi, for instance, combines Ganjang sugar and sesame oil, while kimchi jjigae balances gochujang and fish sauce. A 2023 Dongguk University study found chefs adjust sauce ratios seasonally, more doenjang in winter, lighter chojang in summer. This interplay defines Korea's culinary soul.